Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your Google Cloud project. Enable the Maps JavaScript API and Geocoding API, and attach billing so requests will work. Once done, create a fresh API key and keep it accessible but not exposed. Next, add a map container div in your HTML and include the Google Maps script tag with key parameter. You now have the first actionable elements in place: project, key, and page scaffold to actually render the map in the next steps. You now set up the JavaScript initializer. Create a new Google Maps, map with center coordinates and zoom, and choose your map type ID for style. Then call the geocoder to translate an address into lat/lng and create a marker plus info window to display details on click. Make sure to attach event listeners for clicks and window resize so the map recenters correctly. Also load the API asynchronously with a callback to avoid race conditions. This ensures reliable rendering across devices. You finish by locking down your API key. Configure HTTP referrer or IP restrictions in the Cloud Console and remove unnecessary APIs from the key. Once restricted, deploy your site and test on desktop and mobile. Open the Developer Console to catch quota, billing, or authentication errors. Make sure maps render, markers display, and info windows open. If things go wrong, try regenerating the key and checking referrers. Most issues are key restriction or billing related, so validate those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.